Finding pieces of food. What have you found? Oh, well spotted. Did you know? That's what, running around on the floor finding bits of food. So whether it's things that are already dead or using its ability to find, to scout. Completely different way to work. And you can see, absolutely no fear when it comes to wandering around your feet. I could not get the typical bird of prey to do this. Now, I will tell you, this is about... Don't try and tactic what to do. This bird learned to turn things over. She learned this about 2 weeks ago. Already she's mastered, you don't get old styrene cups. I told you about this. I'm going to have to get... Oh, look, there's a bit of food stuck in there. She's got to figure this to go to different places. Oh, you're supposed to stay there. That leg's wobbling a bit.
Alright.
Come on. Oh, can we do limbo? And over. So this is completely natural behaviour that we're trying to draw out from this bird. Hopping around, you put your leg down there.
Thank you very much.
If you can. Oh dear. Oh dear. So she's got toys in there. She's got dog toys. Things to keep her mind active. So this is just something else. Are you going to do it? You see, this is the kind of behaviour that we have to place in the world. And then I put them on the wall. Since I've done that, bloody bird. Oh, it's a nightmare. I can't stand it. This area here is what we call a wedding. This is where the birds were handling the work on the day. If these birds never see 20 people stood there watching, they're never going to get used to it, quite simply. So you being helping me to train Klaus here, our golden eagle, by letting him see you, none of you doing anything bad. Or, yeah, in a wood, just literally disappears outside. They're incredibly, sorry? In Scotland, yeah. Incredibly shy around humans, but they are around. Sparrowhawks though, who's seen sparrowhawks?
We have one.
Yeah, a few more of you. A couple of weeks ago, just to give you an idea what a hawk is capable of, a couple of weeks ago I was driving through the next village and I saw... So to me it's not the size of the bird, it's far from it, it's about the individual character of that bird and the time that you're prepared to put into it. And someone phoned me up to buy a Harris hawk. I breed Harris hawks here, and they came with a recommendation. He said, I'd like to buy a female Harris hawk to breed them this year. And I said, okay, no problem, if I breed a female, you can have a female. And then I said to him, what if I breed